Both were earlier working in Bangalore, and thereafter he got appointment under the Government of India, Ministry of Cabinet Affairs as Assistant Section Officer. She first files a complaint in the limits of Allahabad High Court. The FIR was questioned and quashed. She files a petition for divorce also. Thereafter, now, my lords, one complaint has been filed on 30/10/24. Police issued notice and I sent my reply. My lord, the petition number 1, the husband is now working in the Ministry of Cabinet Affairs, and her younger brother is in Infosys. All are, my lord, put into police trouble. The one notice was given by the police.
He wanted to commit suicide. The dog stopped her.
She makes complaint against the father-in-law also that he was caught in a spa by the police. An officer of the government.
Why spa ಹೋಗಬಾರದವರು?
Police leader raid. These are all unbelievable. And this right from the day one of the marriage, she went on writing whatever comes to the mind.
The complainant drags every member of the family into the web of crime for offense punishable under section 498A. Despite there being no ingredient, the crime is registered. Police is now wanting to continue investigation. Finding prima facie abuse of the process of the law, I deem it appropriate to stall or grant stay of all further investigation in the impugned crime till the disposal of the petition.
Respondent number 2. Both were earlier working in Bangalore, and thereafter he got appointment under the Government of India, Ministry of Cabinet Affairs as Assistant Section Officer. She first files a complaint in Allahabad, in the limits of Meerut, in the limits of Allahabad High Court. The FIR was questioned and quashed. It was referred to mediation also. She files a petition for divorce also in that particular state where the marriage had taken place. Thereafter, now, my lords, under Annexure C, may kindly be seen, one complaint has been filed on 30/10/2024. Police issued notice and I sent my reply. Annexure D is my reply, detailed reply. Now again thereafter, with no grievances as to the 498A concern, one complaint of several pages is given to the police. As a result, we are called. Now the petitioner number 1.
Where is the earlier note? Idu yes, Sudha madam copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು?
Official.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ 230 ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Henceforth no interim orders. If copies are not served here, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 230 ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
I am sorry, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ಗಲ್ಲ. Henceforth ಹೇಳಿ.
Henceforth. My lord, what happened is that, my lord, the petitioner number 1, the husband is now working in the Ministry of Cabinet Affairs, and he is given the job of intelligence input in the Prime Minister's office. His father is in the Pollution Control Board of Uttar Pradesh. The other brother is in Infosys in Bangalore. All are, my lord, put into police trouble.
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
Please.
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
Madilla. Now that is one notice was given by the police, and the case, the discussion I had with the this thing.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ. Paragraph 16 at page 21.
Yes. 16. Yes. In March 2020, I overheard Arpit discussing paying a bribe of rupees to 35 lakhs rupees for government job.
ಮುಂದೆ ಓದಿ.
When I expressed my concern, he became aggressive, pushing and leaving me alone during the panic attack. I felt helpless and contemplated suicide, but was stopped by my dog. Dog illa ali. I
wanted to commit suicide. The dog stopped her.
That may not be the. She makes complaint against the father-in-law also that he was caught in a spa by the police. An officer of the government.
Why spa ಹೋಗಬಾರದು ಅವರು?
Police leader raid. These are all unbelievable. And this right from the day one of the marriage, she went on writing whatever comes to the mind. The case is exactly that of the worldwide news.
They heard the learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. The second respondent is the complainant. Drags every member of the family into the web of crime for offense punishable under section 498A and Dowry Prohibition Act 3 and 4. A perusal at the complaint would narrate a detailed story of the grievances of the complainant against the members of the family and the petitioner, and not a tittle of ingredient with regard to harassment meted out for demand of dowry or cruelty meted out against any person. Despite there being no ingredient, the crime is registered and the police are now police is now wanting to continue investigation. The learned senior counsel would further contend that an identical complaint was registered before the jurisdictional police in Uttar Pradesh, in Allahabad.
Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad High Court.
In Uttar Pradesh, and Allahabad High Court has quashed those proceedings. After the said quashment emerges the impugned crime. Finding prima facie abuse of the process of the law, I deem it appropriate to stall or grant stay of all further investigation in the impugned crime till the disposal of the petition. One additional SPP to emergent notice.
Please.
Next. Failing which, ಎರಡು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, Payal Sharma and Kailas Ben. ನೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ. Failing which the it would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Kailas Ben so and so and Payal Sharma 3347. Yes.
Hearing on AS 11 9.